Hello YouTube, this is Pete. I had an issue with my Intex zx300 robot vacuum where the brushes weren't turning during operation. And what I've found is the belts that drive on the wheel broke. And you could see it cracked. The other one looked like it just started cracking and deteriorating. Cannot find these anywhere. The only thing I found online was somebody 3D printed them and they would sell you the plans for $2.18. What I figured out is just put an O-ring on it. The O-ring I'm using is number 214 out of the kit. And those are the measurements on the O-ring for 214. And the kit is a Felpro O-ring, automotive O-ring kit. Just takes two, one on opposite side. So this one was the back on this side. I'm sorry, it was the front. If you're looking at the machine, this front I already replaced. This back one I'm in the middle of replacing. Now, sorry, this is my first YouTube video because I'm driving myself crazy trying to find a fix for these things. Okay, so take the O-ring and put it on here. Trying to hold the camera and work with one hand. It's not working. Okay, now see these three little windows here. What you're gonna do is you need to put, I did it by myself, you need to put a screwdriver in here. I'm gonna put you down for a minute. Okay. Sorry, I'm not good at editing. All right, so what you do is you put the screwdriver in there to hold this down, and then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna slide this wheel on. Like this. And then the idea is to push down with the screwdriver and work on either window with the pick. See the window here, and you can see the O-ring back here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pry down on the screwdriver, push down, and then use the pick to pull this up while pushing the wheel in and getting the O-ring onto the gears. I'm gonna try and do, I'm gonna have to put you down. found is also, if you rotate it slightly, it helps get in on. And there you go. Brushes are rotating. This side's rotating. You put your screw back in. Sorry for making you sick. Once again, this is my first YouTube video. And there you go. Hope this helps. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. I need all the help I can get. So I hope I can help somebody else out. Be good, stay safe. God bless.